Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karolina and today I'm going to show you how to make a neck scarf using a very simple technique with a roll hem. All you have to do is cut out the pattern piece, then roll the hem by 1 centimeter and make a small stitch right at the edge of the fabric. And then roll the hem once again. Be very careful, and that thread at the end is supposed to help you to pull the fabric so it's not getting stuck into the sewing machine. And then I'm going to do the other corners as well. Roll the hem, then again use the thread that I have to roll and pull the fabric at the same time. Do it very slowly and try to follow the seam. And that's your neck scarf ready. You can leave it plain, but I decided to add something. Flowers! I thought it would be a great idea to make a floral print to make my scarf a little bit unique. So I'm gonna put aluminium foil, then my scarf on top. On the fabric, I'm gonna rearrange them depending on the color. Then I'm gonna put the paper over it and just smash it using a hammer. And look at the result. And this is the finished look. So what I ended up doing, this flower didn't dye as much, so I used roses, and the roses created a beautiful pattern. I'm very happy with the result and how it turned out. It's truly adorable.